Hey, there all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. Have you ever known or eat ginger? Ginger is a flowering plant that originated in Southeast Asia. It's among the healthiest and most delicious spices on the planet. It belongs to the Zingiberaceae family, and it's closely related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. The rhizome, underground part of the stem, is the part commonly used as a spice. It's often called ginger root, or, simply, ginger. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice. It's a very common ingredient in recipes. It's sometimes added to processed foods and cosmetics. Well, what are the nutrition facts of fresh ginger? What are health benefits of ginger? What is the main nutrient in ginger? Can ginger be shortening or preventing the common cold? And what about side effects of ginger consuming? In today's video, we will talk of the 14 health benefits of ginger and some side effects of ginger that are supported by scientific research. Number 1. Nutrition facts. Based on the Food Data Central research results of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, there are lots of different vitamins and minerals in ginger. A cup, 100 grams, serving of fresh ginger root has the following nutrients: energy, 80 calories; water, 78.9 grams; protein, 1.8 grams equal 4% of the daily value; carbohydrates, 18 grams equal 7% of the daily value; total lipid, fats, 0.8 grams equal 1% of the daily value; dietary fiber, 2 grams equal 8% of the daily value. For the vitamins in fresh ginger root within 100 grams, has the following vitamins such as vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 5 milligrams equal 8% of the daily value; thiamine, vitamin B1, 0.025 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value; riboflavin, vitamin B2, 0.034 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value; niacin, vitamin B3, 0.75 milligrams equal 5% of the daily value; pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, 0.203 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value; pyridoxine, vitamin B6, 0.16 milligrams equal 10% of the daily value; folate, vitamin B9, 11 micrograms equal 3% of the daily value; vitamin E, alpha tocopherol, 0.26 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value. While the minerals in fresh ginger root within 100 grams like copper, 0.23 milligrams equal 26% of the daily value; magnesium, 43 milligrams equal 11% of the daily value; manganese, 0.229 milligrams equal 10% of the daily value; potassium, 415 milligrams equal 9% of the daily value; phosphorus, 34 milligrams equal 5% of the daily value; zinc, 0.34 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value; iron, 0.6 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value. But calcium, selenium, and sodium contain less than 2% of the daily value. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's MyPlate guidelines notes that ginger is considered safe and nutritious when eaten as part of a healthy diet. Concentrated supplements deliver the root's chemical compounds in higher doses and run the risk of causing possible side effects, like heartburn, gas, or diarrhea. Number 2. Powerful medicinal properties. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional and alternative medicine. It's been used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and help fight the flu and common cold, to name a few of its purposes. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger come from its natural oils, the most important of which is gingerol. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. It's responsible for much of ginger's medicinal properties. Gingerol has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, according to research. For instance, it may help reduce oxidative stress, which is the result of having an excess amount of free radicals in the body. Number 3. May help with weight loss. Ginger may play a role in weight loss, according to studies conducted in humans and animals. A 2019 literature review concluded that ginger supplementation significantly reduced body weight, the waist-hip ratio, and the hip ratio in people with overweight or obesity. A 2016 study of 80 women with obesity found that ginger could also help reduce body mass index, BMI, and blood insulin levels. High blood insulin levels are associated with obesity. Study participants received relatively high daily doses, 2 grams, of ginger powder for 12 weeks. The evidence in favor of ginger's role in helping prevent obesity is stronger in animal studies. Ginger's ability to influence weight loss may be related to certain mechanisms, such as its potential to help increase the number of calories burned or reduce inflammation. Number 4. Fights germs. Certain chemical compounds in fresh ginger help your body ward off germs. They're especially good at halting growth of bacteria like Escherichia coli and Shigella, and they may also keep viruses like respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, at bay. Number 5. Keeps your mouth healthy. Ginger's antibacterial power may also brighten your smile. Active compounds in ginger called gingerols keep oral bacteria from growing. These bacteria are the same ones that can cause periodontal disease, a serious gum infection. Number 6. Soothes sore muscle. Ginger won't whisk away muscle pain on the spot, but it may tame soreness over time. In some studies, people with muscle aches from exercise who took ginger had less pain the next day than those who didn't. Number 7. Eases arthritis symptoms. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, which means it reduces swelling. That may be especially helpful for treating symptoms of both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. You might get relief from pain and swelling either by taking ginger by mouth or by using a ginger compressor patch on your skin. Number 8. Reduces cancer risk. The root might be a powerful weapon in the fight against cancer. Researchers have found evidence that gingerol, an active compound in ginger, has cancer-fighting abilities. Namely, it may help in the prevention and treatment of gastrointestinal cancers. Its high antioxidant content is likely responsible for fighting off cancer cell growth. In fact, the antioxidants in ginger may even help to slow the aging process. Number 9. Lowers blood sugar. Adding ginger to your diet could help improve blood sugar levels and lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In one study on people with type 2 diabetes, researchers found that those who took 1,600 milligrams, about 2/3 of a teaspoon, of ginger powder for 12 weeks had improved insulin sensitivity, lower triglycerides, and lower total cholesterol when compared with the control group. Another study found that 2 grams of powdered ginger supplement per day significantly lowered fasting blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 10. Eases period pains. Got menstrual cramps? When it comes to period pain, ginger might actually be right up there with pain medications, like Advil, ibuprofen. One study found that women who took 250 milligrams ginger capsules 4 times a day had the same pain relief as those who took 250 milligrams of mefenamic acid, or 400 milligrams ibuprofen capsules 4 times per day. Number 11. Lowers cholesterol. High levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The foods you eat can have a strong influence on LDL levels. In a 2018 study of 60 people with hyperlipidemia, the 30 people who received 5 grams of ginger pasted powder each day saw their LDL, bad cholesterol levels drop by 17.4% over a 3-month period. While the drop in LDL is impressive, it's important to consider that study participants received very high doses of ginger. The doses taken during the hyperlipidemia study are 5 to 10 times higher. It's likely that most people may have difficulty taking a 5-gram dose for long enough to see results. In an older study from 2008, people who received 3 grams of ginger powder, in capsule form, each day also saw significant reductions in most cholesterol markers. Their LDL, bad cholesterol levels dropped by 10% over 45 days. These findings are supported by a study in rats with hypothyroidism or diabetes. Ginger extract lowered LDL, bad cholesterol to a similar extent as the cholesterol-lowering drug atorvastatin. Study subjects from all 3 studies also experienced drops in total cholesterol. Participants in the 2008 study, as well as the lab rats, also saw reductions in their blood triglycerides. Further details of how to lower cholesterol and treatment, please go to our recent video that talked about everything you need to know about high cholesterol. Now, let's continue to the number 12. Shortening or preventing the common cold. We often think of orange juice as the go-to drink for warding off a cold, but fresh ginger juice may be a better choice. The root has a warming effect, which is believed to help with cold symptoms. Drinking ginger can keep you warm, while also helping the body sweat and get rid of infections. In addition to its many other benefits, gingerol might help prevent infections. One study found fresh ginger may be effective against the respiratory syncytial virus, HRSV, a common cause of cold-like symptoms and respiratory infections. The ginger compounds gingerol and shagale may help fight off a cold because they can lower a fever, reduce pain, and suppress a cough. Number 13. Relieves indigestion. The chemical compounds in ginger are believed to ease stomach pain and aid digestion. Modern research has found evidence that it can helpful. Ginger has long been proposed as a remedy to ease morning sickness during pregnancy. Studies have shown it's a safe and possibly effective way to help reduce nausea. But its ability to help with stomach issues goes beyond pregnancy. Ginger may also help relieve nausea and vomiting after surgery, and in people going through chemotherapy. Eating ginger may improve indigestion symptoms by helping the stomach empty faster. One small study found that taking 1.2 grams of ginger capsules before a meal sped up the digestion process in people with indigestion. Number 14. Easy to include ginger in your diet. There are so many different ways to enjoy ginger, from sipping tea to incorporating it into your main dish. Indeed, you can use it to flavor both sweet and savory foods. When buying ginger for a recipe, it's healthier to opt for the fresh root rather than the dried, powdered form. You'll get more of the gingerol that way. The root should be smooth and firm with no shriveling or mold on it. Peel away the brown layer of skin with a vegetable peeler or paring knife, and then slice or chop it any way you'd like. Well, now you can use ginger for extra flavor in marinades for meat and fish, Asian-inspired stir-fry, homemade salad dressing, soups, smoothies, sweet potato and carrot dishes, tea, boil it in hot water alone, or add lemon and a bit of sugar. Based on my experience, pickled ginger is often paired with sushi or found in ramen dishes. It also goes well in salads or soups. You can buy it in a jar, or make it yourself at home. If you're unable to get fresh ginger, the powdered spice will work as a substitute. In this case, the taste and smell will be different, and you'll want to use less. About 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger is equal to 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Powdered ginger is more commonly used when baking. Well, you have already known a lot of the health benefits of ginger. However, based on your own experiment of consuming ginger, who can tell me, what about the side effects of ginger consuming? Now, let's go to know some side effects of ginger. 1. When taken by mouth, ginger is likely safe. It can cause mild side effects including heartburn, diarrhea, burping, and general stomach discomfort. Taking higher doses of 5 grams daily increases the risk for side effects. 2. When applied to the skin, ginger is possibly safe when used short-term. It might cause skin irritation for some people. What about the special precautions and warnings? Here are some precautions and warnings. 1. Pregnancy. Ginger is likely safe when eaten in foods. It is possibly safe when taken by mouth as medicine during pregnancy. It might increase the risk of bleeding, so some experts advise against using it close to the delivery date. But it appears to be safe to use for morning sickness without harm to the baby. Talk to your healthcare provider before using ginger during pregnancy. 2. Breastfeeding. Ginger is likely safe when eaten in foods. There isn't enough reliable information to know if taking larger amounts of ginger is safe when breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid use. 3. Children. Ginger is possibly safe when taken by mouth for up to 4 days by teenagers around the start of their period. 4. Bleeding disorders. Taking ginger might increase your risk of bleeding. 5. Heart conditions. High doses of ginger might worsen some heart conditions. And 6. Surgery. Ginger might slow blood clotting. It might cause extra bleeding during and after surgery. Stop using ginger at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. If you have any concerns related to the effectiveness and side effects, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Please hit the like, share, and subscribe to my channel with turning on ring the notification bell below if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end. Stay healthy, eat healthy, be healthy.